Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to some more maths. Right, as you saw on the previous screen, today you're going to need a number of different things. So if you haven't got them all already, press pause, go get them, and let's get started. Okay, are you ready now for this little bit? What I need you to have ready in front of you is your tens frame and your counting objects. Okay, so underneath these three boxes here are a representation of a number. And as soon as I show it to you, I want you as fast as you can to make it on your tens frame. Okay, so these are small numbers, so the idea is that we do it really, really quickly without having to count them very carefully. Okay, so if you're ready, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go. So can you represent that image on your tens frame? Great work, everybody. Well done. So what have you shown me on your tens frame? 5. That's right. I can see 5 on your tens frames. That is a hand showing 5 fingers. And because it's a hand, we don't really need to count all those fingers, do we? We don't need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just know that it's 5. That's great. Hopefully you filled the top row of your tens frame. The bottom row will be empty. Okay, reset your tens frame. Take your counting objects off. Okay, are you ready? We're going to go again with another image. Ready, steady, go. Great work, well done. What was this number here? What did you show me on your tens frame? 4. Excellent. 1 less than the image above. 4. Now, I saw something really interesting with the 4 just over here. It helped me count it as well. I saw 2 yellow balls and 2 purple balls. Did you? 2 and 2 equals 4. Brilliant work. Well done. Reset your tens frame. Are you ready for another go? 3, 2, 1. Show me. Great. That was easy, wasn't it? That was the same number. Did you get 4 again? You did. And this looks like a bit of our Numicon. And it's got a representation of 4 just like this one. But it looks a little different, doesn't it? And it's in a different arrangement. Sometimes that can throw us, but I can still see 2 and 2. Can you? Great work. Okay, let's have a look at a few more. Right, are you ready? I've got 3 more for you here. Okay, so reset your tens frame. Make sure it's showing us 0. Get your counting objects ready, okay? And I'm going to show you the image, and I want you to make it as fast as you can. Are you ready? Steady. Go. Brilliant. Well done. What did you show me? Can I see? Yes. Top rows. I can see. Your tens frames are all full at the top. That must mean this is 5. Brilliant. Now I've used the coloured balls again. Can you see a 3? And can you see a 2? 3 yellow balls, 2 purple balls, 3 and 2 equals 5. I used the colour of those balls to help me. I saw 3 and thought, right, quick, I'll make 3 first. And then I saw the 2 and I thought, brilliant, I'll put the 2 on next. Some of you may have just seen 5, and that's great. Reset your tens frame. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Are you finished? What's that an image of? What does that represent? I know! Nothing! 0! How many counting objects did you put in your tens frame? Nothing! Well done. Sorry, that wasn't a trick. I did do that on purpose, I'm sure. You ready? I don't think you need to reset your tens frame now, do you? No. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. I'll give you a little bit of time to do this one. This one looks tricky. I recognise that numeral. That is a big number. Is anybody done? Oh, I can see. Lots of people have finished. Well done. What does this numeral say? 9, that's right. 9. Now I know there's a quick way to do this. I wonder if anybody spotted it. Now, how many counting objects did I say? 10, I did. And how many spaces do you have on your tens frame? 10, you do. What about 9? Something about 9. There's something about 10 that would make it very easy to do. Yeah, 9 is 1 less. 10 is 1 more. So if we leave 1 space on our tens frame, bingo, we've got 9. Well done, everyone. So yesterday, with Miss Hakener, you explored the parts of some of our larger numbers, our teens numbers. You were splitting them into 2 groups, weren't you? You were splitting them into a group of 10 and a group of 1s. 10s and 1s. Now today I want to do some splitting as well, but I want to do some splitting of 10. Now there are lots and lots of different ways of making 10 with groups of things. Okay, so that's what we're going to explore. Now, in order for this to work today, what I need you to have is your part whole. Remember, if you've not got one made, all you need to do is draw 3 circles that look like Mickey Mouse on a piece of paper. And your counting objects. Those are the only things that you're going to need today. Oh, and your brain. Okay, everyone. So, first of all, let's have a look at my screen. Now, I've got 10 objects here. You can see them on my blue piece of paper. And I've made, well, I was looking for containers, but I couldn't find any. So I've just drawn some circles on a piece of paper. Right, now here's what I would like you to do. I've got 10 things here, not sweeties like Miss Hakener had yesterday, but bits of Lego and some animals. I wonder, can you suggest a way of sorting these objects into these 2 groups? Press pause and have a chat with your grown-up about how you might do it. Great. Did you have any ideas? Quick, quick, shout them at the screen. Oh yeah, I could do it. Yeah. Oh, yes. Okay. I'm going to try it that way. And that last way I just heard, that's a great idea. Do you know, I'm going to sort these things into these 2 containers by their colour. I think I'm going to use the red ones in here. and the ones that are not red in here. I wonder what that will show us. Let me quickly sort them out. So this one is red, that one is red. Yeah, and the rest are not red, are they? So let me pop those in here, and let's see what we make of that. Excellent. So I have got my 10 objects now in 2 different parts. I wonder how many's in each part? How many's in the red part and how many's in the not red part? Quickly, press pause and work it out with your mum and dad. Okay, what did you see? What did you see here in the red part? 4. Me too. I don't know about you, but I saw 2 Lego bricks and 2 animals. 2 and 2 is 4. There are 4 things altogether. And actually, I put them in this part a little bit like the face of a dice. Okay, let me just write the numeral 4 there so I don't forget. So we've got 4 in the red part. And how many did we have over here in the not red part? 6. Yes, that's right. And just the same way as this one, I don't know whether you noticed, but there are 3 animals and 3 bits of Lego. 3 and 3 equals 6. There we go. 4 in one part, 6 in another part. And how many did we start with? 10. So 4 must be a part of 10. And 6 must be a part of 10. 4 is a part and 6 is a part. 4 and 6 equals 10. Now, we all know that that funny mathematical symbol that looks like this means and, or add, or more. 4 add 6. I wonder. Let's have a look again. I wonder if there's a different way of sorting my counting objects. Right, there we go. So I've got 2 new parts, and here are all my counting objects again. There are still 10. Okay, so how could we sort those in a different way? Last time we went with red ones and then not red ones. And we ended up with 4, and we ended up with a group of 6. I wonder if we can sort these in a different way. Quick, press pause. Have a chat with your grown-ups. How could we sort these in a different way? Hi, welcome back. So how could we do it? Shout at the screen. Oh, colour. Yes, we could do. Well, yeah, we could have done. We could do yellow ones and not yellow ones. Yeah, we could do different colours. Oh, that's interesting. Hang on a minute. Let me try that. I just heard this and this. Do you think you can tell what it might be? Yes, that's right. I heard somebody say animals in one group and Lego bricks in another group. I wonder, how many's in each group? Pause the video and tell your grown-up. So, how many do we see in the animal group? I know, 5. Now, I'm not going to count them because I know that there are 5. There are 3 not red ones and 2 red ones, and I know that 3 and 2 is equal to 5, so I know that there's 5 there. Sometimes we don't always have to count everything, do we? And how many in the Lego brick section? 5 again, I know. And look, it's exactly the same way as the animals. There are 3 not red bricks and 2 red bricks. 3 and 2 is equal to 5. So we have another 5. We have 2 groups of 5. And how many counting objects did we start with? I know, we had 10. So 5 and 5 must equal 10. Well done, everyone. Thanks for your help. Now it's your turn, boys and girls. Okay, so time for your part holes. There's mine, just to the side. See, it's just 3 circles. If you turn it round, so the hole is at the bottom, it looks a little bit like Mickey or Minnie Mouse. Anyway, mine's this way round. It doesn't matter which way round you put your tens frame, as long as you know which one is the hole and which one are the parts. Now here's your challenge. I've got 10 as a whole. We have 10 counting objects. And I've put some inside one of the parts. Can you see? I've put 6. Now your job is to fill one of your parts with 6 and then find out for me how many fit in the other part. Okay? We'll do this one together a little bit slowly. Okay? So 6 is a part. There's another part together that equals 10. Take your 10 objects, put 6 in one part and put the rest in the other part. And I wonder, can you tell your grown-up the mathematical sentence? Press pause and come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back everybody. So what did we find? I found that too. I found that in my other part that I had 4. I found that if I put 6 in one part, I had 4 counting objects left over from my big group of 10. Okay, so we can say this as a number sentence, can't we? We can say 6 is a part of 10. Go on then. 6 is a part of 10. Brilliant. And 4 is a part of 10. Good job. 6 and 4 equals 10, you say. Well done, everybody. Last challenge. I wonder, can you write that with some numerals and some symbols? Press pause and have a go. Okay, well, there's mine, look, down in the corner. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 6 and 4 more is equal to 10. Great job. Well done. Okay, this next one, I want you to have a go all by yourself. Here it is. Okay, so I've turned my part hole around. Doesn't matter, remember, as long as we know which ones are the parts and which one is the whole. So 10 objects, restate your part hole model. There's 2 in one of the parts. We're trying to find out what's in the other part. Press pause to see if you can find out for me. Welcome back. How did you do? Did you find the missing part? You did. How many objects did you put inside the missing part? Really, that many? Oh, I had a go while you were playing, and this is what I got in there. I got that many. If 2 is one of the parts, that many is the... yeah, how many is that? Did you have to count? You did? Okay. Let me have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you find 8? You did. So 2 is a part of 10, you say. And 8 is a part of 10. 2 and 8 equal 10. Great job, well done. Quick, press pause and write that with some numerals for me. Oh, I see some people did it the other way around and wrote the 8 first. That doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Both of those numbers go together to equal 10. It doesn't matter which one we start with. You could have started with 2, like me, or you could have started with 8. Adding both of those numbers together equals 10. Great job, everybody. Well done. Right, here is your job for today. Now, I would like you to play with your part whole and with your counting objects. Remember, we've only got 10. And remember, we're looking for the different parts that go together inside 10. So we found 6 and 4 just before. And then we found 2 and 8. I wonder, how many other parts can you find to equal 10? Okay? I'd like you to press pause now and take some pictures of your potholes. How many can you find? Off you go. Right, I'm really looking forward to seeing your pictures of all your part holes and your investigations into which parts go together to equal 10. I wonder, did anybody, maybe you did anybody find 3 parts that might go together to equal 10? Maybe. I'd love to see a picture, see if you can find some 3 parts that equal 10 as well. That would be exciting. Okay, everybody, I'm going to say bye for now, and I'll see you tomorrow for another maths lesson.